Samsung is officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of three exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost: Galaxy S25, 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus, 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal. You're running out of time to secure your reservation with some incredible benefits. This is your final chance to lock in your exclusive discounts and perks. The clock is ticking. The reservation campaign ends January 22nd. Don't miss your opportunity to claim up to $1,250 in savings, $50 Samsung credit, and drumroll please, a chance to win a hopping $5,000 Samsung credit. Yes, you heard that right. Reserving your Galaxy S25 is as simple as 1, 2, 3, and the best part. It costs you absolutely nothing up front. Here's how you can secure your flagship. Click the link in the description below. Provide the required information, including your first name, last name, email, and mobile number, optional. Ensure you check the box indicating your interest in entering the sweepstakes and confirm that you have read and agreed to the official rules. Additionally, confirm that you are 18 years of age or older and select your state of residence. After filling out the form, click on the Reserve Now button to submit your reservation. By doing so, you will receive a $50 Samsung credit when you pre-order and purchase the reserved device. Moreover, you'll be entered into the sweepstakes for a chance to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Whether you're eyeing the Galaxy S25, the larger-than-life S25 Plus, or the feature-packed S25 Ultra, this is your chance to reserve your pick before anyone else. Plus, when pre-orders open on January 22nd, Samsung's got you covered with a $300 instant credit to sweeten the deal even more. But hurry, this incredible offer ends soon. Reserve before January 22nd, or you'll miss your chance to score these amazing perks. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and pre-reserve your Galaxy S25 today. Be among the first to own Samsung's most powerful flagship yet, and save big while you're at it. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Reserve now. Despite these challenges, Samsung appears committed to maintaining its pricing strategy for the European market, even if it means taking a slight hit on profits. Now let's turn to South Korea, Samsung's home market. According to a recent Korean media report, the company has reportedly decided to freeze prices for the Galaxy S25 series at the last minute. This decision directly contradicts earlier rumors suggesting a price hike across the board. The latest report indicates that the base model of the Galaxy S25 will start at $1,155,000 won, while the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will be priced at $1,353,000 won and $1,698,400 won, respectively. These prices match the launch prices of the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. However, before you get too excited, there are a few things to keep in mind. While a price freeze in South Korea is promising news, it doesn't guarantee that the same will apply globally. Samsung's decision to hold prices steady in its domestic market might not translate to regions like the US or Europe. In fact, there are a few reasons to remain cautious. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is more expensive than its predecessors. The base Galaxy S25 model now features 12 GB of RAM, an upgrade from the 8 GB RAM in the Galaxy S24. For the 512 GB variants, say from the official launch, where we'll get all the confirmed details. What do you think about these pricing leaks? Are you planning to grab the Galaxy S25, or are you waiting to see the final prices in your region? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, reserve your Galaxy S25 today using the link in the description for amazing perks like $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 in savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. See you in the next video.